Hey everyone, my name is Demetri from Jotform, and I'm excited to share with you a very easy workflow to integrate any forms you're using with Jotform with Google Drive. And we're gonna actually use AI to augment this workflow so you can make this form in no time. So a lot of times, some of the things that we want end up getting delivered to us through a great form inside of Jotform, and we have files that are provided to us maybe that don't necessarily go to the right place. You know, they're added to the form, and that's great and all, but in all honesty, it would be much nicer if those files were actually uploaded to Google Drive, for example. Now, in this video, we're gonna dive into how, for example, a media company who gets different brand assets sent to them from clients could intake those brand assets and upload it to Google Drive so that their content editors and social media creators can utilize those brand assets and logos with ease. So let's dive right into it. If you go to the Jotform AI builder, you can type out, I want to build a brand assets collection form for a content agency that would include a logo, brand colors, and other assets for the agency to use via file upload from the clients they are working with. Okay, so we're gonna press create form here. Oh wow, look at that. So it actually made this pretty quickly. So as you can see, there's a place for the client to put its name, their email address, and then have some logos, some brand color palettes and stuff like that in here. Okay, this is perfect. So I think the logo and any additional brand assets are kind of what's most important. So if we go here and we just wanna edit the form, we can change the design here. I know it's just set out how it is by default, but let's, for example, change the color palette one to be an optional one too. I just wanted to kind of show you how I would go about it if I were dealing with this. So first of all, go into the settings and find integrations. And then let's grab Google Drive. Okay, click on Google Drive. You're just gonna authenticate it with your account. Then once it's authenticated, you'll see that it says create a folder name. Okay, so provide a name for the Google Drive folder where submissions will be stored. Okay, so this is gonna be in the brand assets collection form. And I'm gonna recommend making a subfolder for each submission. And I don't wanna put the submission ID. I actually just wanna put the client name, which I think is probably the best option, and then hyphen brand assets, or you can just keep it client name to make it obvious. And then send submissions PDF to Google Drive. So automatically turn submissions into PDFs and send them to Google Drive, I think is a great option. So you can see any written portions of this as well, and send uploaded fields to Google Drive. Collect files through the form and send them to Google Drive. And we're gonna select which ones we want. So we wanna select all of those different ones that had files attached to it. All right, so we're gonna press save here. And this is a very advanced level of product. I'm not trying to oversell this because we're here at Jotform. I've used a lot of different form tools. They don't allow you to make a Google Drive integration that simple, have form structures like this. It's awesome. All right, so let's go to this build section again, and we're actually just gonna press publish and then open it up in a new tab. So actually what I'm gonna do is, it says client name here. I kind of mean that as in like the company name. So let's just make a tweak here. We're gonna actually change this to be not necessarily like a first name, last name situation, but we're just gonna do like a text field. Let's do short text. We're gonna call this client user or something like that, like client's team member that submitted it is what I wanna see. Then we're gonna say the company name, and we're gonna add it to required. Then we're gonna go back into our integrations, and we're gonna change this. It's actually really simple. So as you can see, it caught the fact that I changed it to client team member. I don't want that. I just want company name. Perfect. So then make sure you press save. And now we can open it up in a new tab, and let's try this again. So we're gonna have we're gonna use a company name, Rise Productive. It's gonna be my name. So I'm gonna do my first and last name here, fill out my email here. I'm gonna add my phone number. I don't really need my phone number in here, so I'm just gonna leave it. And then I'm gonna upload some assets. So like my logo, and you can see it gets confirmed when it's written right here. So I'm actually gonna also upload some other versions of the logo to make it easier. That was like a banner. I'm gonna do like the favicon one. Then there's a picture of my face. It's kind of nice. It's like an avatar of my face. Okay, so additional instructions or notes. Use the banner when dealing with wide shot or location based images / video. Use the main RP favicon for more square and equal dimension content. So then I just press submit here. And after it gets submitted, Really cool thing just happened. So if I go to that folder in my Google Drive, the brand SS collection form, you'll see Rise Productive had one in there. It has the uploaded banner. It has the uploaded straight face Notion style logo, and it has the favicon. And then it also has the PDF submitted with the different text submissions and the items here. All of these are so simple and easy to use. I'm like baffled every single time that a product like this has the capabilities that it does, but the integration was just so seamless. I mean, people could upload as many images as they wanted and it's just flying right into my account. And I know that this is an issue for a lot of creatives out there. You can do this on an individual video basis. You can do this on an individual graphic design basis. Anytime someone wants to submit something, you absolutely can have them create a new folder, and it's so easy to work with. So if you're interested in using a product that allows you to make a form that quickly and then have it upload right into your Google Drive, whatever assets are needed, please check out Jotform. So simple, so easy to use. Great use case right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.